Hi, it's Richard from skyVac, and today I'm going to be showing you what you'll receive in the skyVac vacuum package and how to set it up. So this is the Bacuum, a lightweight portable vacuum for internal cleaning from floor to ceiling. With this you'll receive a telescopic pole, number and size depending on the package you choose, a floor tool head, a variety of internal end tools and necks, a HEPA filter, 2 suction hoses and a carry bag for your poles and accessories. Now you have 2 choices of vacuum available. You have the mains powered vacuum or you have the battery powered vacuum. If you choose the mains powered vacuum, it comes with a 15 metre length of cable and a power indication light within the package. Or if you go for the battery powered vacuum, it comes with a charger and 2 Li-on batteries. Now let's get it set up. Start off by putting on the vacuum, adjusting it using the ergonomically designed shoulder, waist and chest strap. The vacuum is engineered to sit away from the operator's back to reduce strain and create ventilation during extended use. Working from the ground up, we'll start with the floor cleaning and attaching the floor head to the hose that is connected to the vacuum. Moving on to the high ground, remove the floor head and replace with your telescopic pole. Choose your neck depending on the angle you need to access and then your end tool to suit. Extend the pole using the robust clamps and you're ready to get cleaning. Our telescopic suction poles provide safe, efficient, ground level access to high reach ledges, beams, pipes and ducting. So that's the skyVac vacuum. Get in contact with us today to learn more about this unique skyVac system.